On. Yo, what's good, people? It is currently 2 minutes past 5 p.m. UK time, Friday, the 26th of May, 2023. It's your boy Fadlan, aka NinjaTea, with my co-founder and co-host of Technically Speaking.
Hey, what's happening, everyone? Name is Zeshan Haroon, here for another very special episode of Technically Speaking. We're going to break down the markets, giving you all of that juicy sauce that you come here for. Let's go.
Yes, sir. So for those that aren't aware of who we are, Blockchain Sensei, we are a Black and Asian owned multi Web3 solutions and financially and financial literacy platform. However, we don't provide financial advice. So just before we get started, let's go to the Blockchain Sensei disclaimer. So this show is called Technically Speaking. This is a show where we break down the markets, mainly charts. Every Monday, 8 p.m. to 9:30 UK time, we do a free webinar called The Game, where we cover stocks, crypto, market updates, etc. Fridays, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Zoom, we do NFT Fridays. Join the free webinar via the blockchain.sensei Instagram bio. So just go to instagram.com/blockchain.sensei, and then you simply click the link in. Oh, don't know what's going on there. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Oh, I think it's I'm not logging to Instagram on here, but yeah. Anyway, let's go on with this show. Disclaimer: terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please always do your own research. Blockchain Sensei content is intended and should only be used for informational use only, and it is very important to do your own analysis before making any trades. Sorry, 1 second. I want to go live on the IG. Let's get this promoted. Get it promoted. Okay, 1 sec. Connecting. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Zeshan, are you a professional advisor?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, 1 second. NinjaTea and Zeshan filming, technically speaking, market updates, replay on YouTube soon. Spin that. Boom, right, we're live on the IG. Okay, so what are we up to? Yeah, no one's a professional advisor. Please independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show. Do you wish to rely upon whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise? All investments come with what?
They all come with a level of risk.
They all come with risk. Therefore, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and neither is Zeshan Haroon. Again, however, we're working in collaboration with several accredited advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, then please contact us immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. Okay, let's go. Let's crack on. So, first index I always look at is the SIXRE, which again is a representative of or measurement of real estate holdings within the S&P 500. It is not a direct representation of global real estate, but it is the index which, in my trading investing journey, I found to be closest. And the reason why is obviously all markets are tied together. And if real estate is down, the stock market is down, or specifically when the SIXRE is down, the entire global real estate market and S&P 500 is down, and vice versa. So if this is bearish, the whole world is bearish. So I'm bearish for the rest of 2023. Now let me just explain to you guys my charting, because I have used unconventional colors. Instead of using red, I've used white, and instead of using green for support, I'm using yellow, and that's because, quite frankly, I found that it's just jarring to look at a lot of red and green, especially when my candlesticks are red and green. Zeshan's candlesticks, yours are white, right? You got
White and black.
white and black. There you go. So Yeah, my current sentiment as of late May 2023 is that I am bearish for the entire year. Yeah, I said it. I am bearish for, okay, if not the entire year, okay, I'm bearish till at least August. Okay, because first of all, what do we see here in the SIXRE? We see that there was a lot of activity happening around this 185 and 163 zone. Okay, let me just make that blue to make that easy to see. Bam. I believe that a similar activity is going to happen, and we can easily bottom out here again. If we do bottom out to here again, I wouldn't be surprised if we reached not new Bitcoin lows, but I wouldn't say like 14k Bitcoin and 16k. I would say 19k. But yeah, this is where alts can bleed. This monthly downtrend, if I go on the monthly, has been playing out beautifully. So I drew it. I drew the downtrend on the monthly because what I do is for my monthly trend lines, I do it a line, and for daily ones, I do dots, and then for weeklies, I do dashes. So yeah, I drew this out on the monthly. If it's very, very nice on the weekly, if it's very, very nice on the daily, and then just to be a super bearish advocate, put down another trend line for the daily, and this is where I see, okay, so I'm pretty confident that we're going to go back down to these lows. Reason why is because we've been there so many times before. So that's my current sentiment. Again, sentiments always change, so I don't know this is financial advice. I may finish recording this, upload it on YouTube, and then change my mind in 3 days. So I'm just showing you guys my state of mind as of now, 26th of May 2023. Everything can change overnight. Nothing's financial advice. I see us reaching these kind of lows again, which will then continue to bleed to the rest of the markets. And that could be as soon as mid-August or as late as November 2023. But my sentiment for the rest of the year is bearish. And then it's pretty much emulated in the VT, which, for those that haven't watched previous episodes, is very, very, very closely knit with SIXRE, VT being the entire global stock market. Just do that VT, bam, 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 bam. So where SIXRE takes a drawdown, so does VT, i.e. the global stock market. Yeah, I feel like we're not going to go to obviously coronavirus lows, but I feel like this zone here again, which is the recent kind of, October, November 2022 lows, there's been how many touch points on this support? Actually, my supports are supposed to be yellow. Let me not confuse myself. Yellow is my green, white is my red. We've been here 1, 2, 3, 4 times before, and even though compared to real estate, I think the how would I say this? The steepness of the drawdown is less so much. Ooh. Yeah, we've obviously broken out of this this bearish trend line. Let's just dashed over to the weekly. Yeah, we've broken out, but I do believe we're gonna fall. We're gonna fall back down in the stock market. And then yeah, same sentiment for the S&P 500. I won't be supporting resistances, but yeah, I'm bearish. We've obviously broken some kind of trend, but I see us falling back within the trend. I'm not bullish at all right now. Oh. Yeah, with regards to this little spike in Nasdaq, that's way too much green to last. So, yeah, if anybody's looking to short Nasdaq, I'm not saying right now is the exact time, but there's definitely a shorting opportunity. There's absolutely no way that this is maintaining. So I feel like this is a fabricated bull trap. DXY is moving hella sideways, super crab market, but every single time, as you can see, the highs are getting lower, getting lower, they're getting lower. And it's probably the next one's about around here. It's gonna go do something like that. That's what I see. Yeah, bearish sentiment's not bullish at all. Let's go to crypto. Crypto is a little bit overvalued in my opinion. I wouldn't be investing in the market. Okay, right now my consensus is aim for $0.9 trillion market cap before investing in crypto. I can see a very, very nice support around 900 and no, we're gonna go low. We're gonna go lower. Yeah, I see very nice support around 912-ish. Let's make that yellow because yellow is my green. That's my support. Yeah, so I'll be waiting until crypto is at least 0.9 before buying in. I stand by my social media post when it comes to Bitcoin price prediction, or not price prediction, but buy price for Bitcoin, which is 22,500-ish. Zeshan, have you got a Bitcoin buying price?
1 second, let me just bring up my chart. So I've got it at the $20,000 mark.
Oh, you want to wait till 20K?
Yes, sir.
So you're not going to be buying any Bitcoin at 21K?
I've not bought anything since last day. It's only very recently I've picked a little bit of Sol and staked it.
Well, did you not snipe that November December dip? Them happy times.
No, I
them
didn't.
18K
I
why?
didn't, unfortunately, no.
Where was you in the forex charts? Where was you?
I was in the FX charts.
Oh, the
Yeah.
other market. Come on, we should be doing FX to get crypto, mate. Like, do you know what? Straying a little bit from actual technical analysis, because I feel like technical analysis should actually be about should be a safe platform for us to kind of talk about trading. Yeah, I don't understand why not enough of the forex market, sorry, like the forex trading community, take enough of an interest of crypto. Like, do they? It's like, I'm not attacking any specific forex trader. This is my observation with the UK and maybe like London forex trading scene. It's almost like the community of London forex, UK forex traders doesn't seem to talk about much crypto, but if you're making so much in the market, surely there should also be a conversation about buying the dip. I don't feel like that's really a conversation.
You're either gonna love it or you're gonna stick to what you know. You know?
Look, to my forex traders that don't know anything about crypto, Gary V, the world isn't or, it's and. Yeah. I'm like, my intention with forex is to be competent enough to be like a super macro price action trader. Like, do you know when like sick events happen, like, well, sick trading events where, let's say, like the Russian currency, like before that was gonna crash, if we just
Yeah,
knew to short that,
yeah,
or I was used to doing it, you know what I mean?
yeah. But didn't they sort of stop people sort of exiting their positions?
Is that
Through,
true? I'm not sure.
yeah,
I'm not
because
sure.
Ian Dunlap mentioned it that quite a lot of people they shorted the Russian market, but the brokers didn't let them exit their positions due to something happening in Russia, them not letting them.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, my buy price for Ethereum is 1,481. As in, I'm a big believer in averaging down. So what I mean by averaging down is it's like dollar cost averaging, but it's dollar cost averaging with deciding a price to buy in and then continuing to buy, because I feel like one out of two scenarios is gonna happen. It's gonna get to this price and then move sideways, or get to this price and then move down. I don't think it's gonna get to this price and then spike up. I think that's almost impossible. So yeah, 1,400. Well, not let me not say almost impossible. Let me rewind that. But yeah, my buy price for Ethereum is 1,481. Have you got a buy price, Zeshan?
I have got. I've got the 1,500.
1,500. Okay, so we agree on the Ethereum. Also, what I've noticed is, let me just go to total on like the daily. Yeah, I've noticed. So for those that know about this indicator, this is called the DMI. It's very easy to read. When the orange, yeah, is actually DLT. Yeah, that's right.
What does that
So
indicator calculate?
sorry, one sec. I actually don't know what this red is. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know specifically what the maths is. Usually I would know. So it's good that Zeshan pulled me up because I literally don't know. But what I do know is when the orange is above the blue, it's a bearish signal, and when the blue is above the orange, it's a bullish signal, and it's pretty damn accurate, especially on the daily. So what I can see here, yeah, is because you can think of like support and resistance on indicators as well, not just on the chart. So let me make this white again. My white is my red, right? Like I can see so many. Oh, 1 second. Why did they just disappear? It's not good. Get another one. Yeah, I can see like so many resistances on this again. White daily. Got it. So I see more opportunity for this to flick up rather than down.
Hmm.
And like we've literally just broke the trend recently here. You broke the trend where the orange crosses over the blue. And then we can see that it snapped really hard. So it wasn't like a small gap. It was quite a big gap in between. And the bigger the gap, the stronger the signal. So yeah, crypto market. So basically guys, let me just wrap it off with here, and then I'm gonna let Zeshan go for like 10-15 minutes. Basically the game right now, the actionable game is to wait for Bitcoin to draw down. For me, I'm gonna start DCAing Bitcoin and alts or averaging down, right? Because I don't believe in true dollar cost averaging. I don't believe in buying assets at over expensive prices. For me, what I'm gonna say 22,500. Zeshan saying 20K. So I'm a risk taker, but that's when all coins are gonna bleed. So let me just do one example. For example, Cardano. For me, I want to buy Cardano at 30 cents. 30 cents Cardano is a beautiful Cardano because 30-cent Cardano is 10x from the $3 high. So yeah, that's everything from me. Over to Zeshan. Boom.
There we go. Okie dokie, guys. So, a couple of things I'm gonna be going over. First of all, being UK inflation rate, currently at 7.8%. And then also we've got potential, well, highly likely of interest rates in the UK increasing to 5.5%. And also lenders, the lending market, they've also pulled quite a lot of their products due to them expecting interest rates to go up. That's for the UK. Now for the USA, their inflation figures has come out at 4.9% for the month of April. So you can see it's declining for the US. Then we're gonna go on a little bit of crypto. So here Binance expected to launch new Thai crypto exchange in Q4 of 2023. After landing a crypto operator's license in Thailand today, Binance Gulf is expected to open stores by the end of the year. So just in time for the bull run, which is next year in 2024. Now, just going to go over some charts. First one I'm going to go over is Pepe. So Pepe's currently got a market cap of 462 billion. Now, this was the easiest pump and dump that you could see from a mile away. I'm just going to go over it. So this is the current Pepe chart. So this token.
Wait, real quick. I'm just in an IG post. Do you have any emoji that's linked to you? Like, you know how like me is the ninja emoji and Calm, he likes a black hand that does this. Is there a Zeshan emoji?
No, I've not even thought about that yet.
All right.
So
I'm going to give you an alien. Carry on.
So this is a current Pepe chart. So I remember specifically. So some of you may or may not remember. Here we go. Just trying to make this a little bit better. So that's the Pepe chart. So from when it started on around the 1st of May, and it's all-time high. No, it's done a lot more than that. I need another Pepe chart. I need one where... Okay, let's just stick to this. So you can see from the Pepe chart, it's made a high... It's just kept on going up and up until the 5th of May. And then after that, this token has literally no value. So I don't know why people were buying it during this period of time when it was going up. You know, it was all over Twitter. That was a time for people to actually get out of this, out of a new point. You know, when it's all over Twitter, when the volume is high, that's the time where you need to get out. The time that you get in is when no one's talking about it, the volume is low, and from its all-time high, it has decreased around about, so currently 68% below its all-time value, all-time high. Even at these current prices, I still think it will go lower. Personally.
Are you trying to buy the Pepe dip? Then watch for it to bounce and cash out. Trying to make it a prof. You're trying to short it. What are you doing, Zeshan?
I mean,
big trader.
I
remember this guy couldn't read charts. Now he's doing all the PNL screenshots on.
I mean, you're better off. There's a better chance of you making a trade on XRP rather than Pepe. Let me just go to the XRP
go on,
chart.
show him.
So this is the. I've got two XRP charts. Let's see which one is which. So here. So this is, let's just go on the monthly. So weekly. So here you can see on the weekly, it's got a bit of a resistance here. So every time it touches this, it bounces off. During the bear market, I mean, to capitalize on these gains, you know, you're talking about 100% here. You know, you've got a better chance of buying like XRP at these levels at the low, and then flipping it when it goes to the high, because it just goes in a downward spiral. I mean, even to its all-time highs, you're looking around about. You're looking at a 300% gain. I'm also going to go over Gala as well. Ninja, what are your thoughts on Gala?
I'm gonna be honest, yeah. I have slept on Gala and I've not done the research. Just like I've not done the research on sorry, my language, Pulse Chain.
What chain?
Like, I don't really understand what's going on with Richard Hart and Pulse Chain. Like people are giving up their real crypto assets for the potential of getting them again on Pulse Chain, which is like the Hex thing.
Oh, I don't even know what that is.
You don't know what Hex is?
I've heard of Hex. I've just not been keeping up to date with it.
Do you know who Richard Hart is? The CEO.
No, I don't.
All right, fair enough. Yeah, everyone's got their own little world in it.
Yeah,
Zishan, how many NFTs have you bought in your life? Have you ever bought an NFT?
not bought any NFTs. No,
Have you ever minted a free one?
no, I haven't. No.
Oh my God, mate. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. It's 2023. Get an NFT, lad.
I'd rather stick to FX than NFTs.
Nah, bro, you gotta try everything, bro. Gotta be a practitioner.
So, so the current Gala price action, it's nearly at its all-time lows of when it originally launched. So even if you bought Gala at these current prices, uh, you're looking at a 2,900% gain. Now you could potentially flip
Has
100
been
quid into
about
2,900.
that time, but
Like if you had a grand and you just put them in the top 10 cryptos currently, you're more than definitely gonna have 10 grand within the next bull market. So the more you put in
in
now,
Zishan's opinion, which is not financial advice, because he doesn't know what he's talking about.
no, I don't know what I'm talking about. The same way I didn't know what I was talking about with Crow that landed me a 400% gain.
Ah, let him know. Ah.
Um, so that's a little.
If you bought Solana in November, you could have done 3x easily.
Oh, really?
Check it. Solana was like $7, bro,
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
in
I
like
remember.
November, December.
I didn't
What
buy
a treat.
anything during those lows, to be honest with you. I was in the charts, in the trenches, learning about FX.
Mm.
Um,
Yeah, it's good because like you missed that game, but you gained the skill, and that's even more important.
yeah. Um, hmm. Anything else you want to go over, Ninja?
Yeah, the fact that I can do 62.5 kg bench press. Come on. Hey,
MashaAllah.
alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. But seriously, guys, um, one thing that I am just pushing right now is for people to get their spiritual and mental health right. Um, I found that ever since prioritizing those things, everything in my life is, including trading, has become really easy. Like trading just makes so much sense to me now. I'm not tra I'm rarely trading, but I'm just on the charts. I'm just on the charts finding opportunities. So yeah, forever an undervalued dip sniper swing trader. That's my shit. I do wanna get more into shorting. I wanna get to these, bro. Me and you need to have a private conversation because you're doing futures now. You didn't leverage like what
Yeah.
18% in a day. What's going on? Like, remember when you couldn't read charts, mate.
Leverage is fairly safe as long as you know
Yeah.
what you're doing. So even if the trade goes against you, you're only losing 1% because your
Because
liquidation
you're using 1% of
prices
your capital. Yeah.
because your liquidation price is quite a lot away from your stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a way to flip accounts.
Alrighty. So then, okay, guys, that's me and Zish are gonna wrap up here. Please like, comment, subscribe. Again, please do come to our Mondays and Fridays webinars. They won't be available to the public all the time in terms of having an open Zoom room. If you got the Zoom room, same Zoom room every week for the foreseeable future, has been since 2020. Also get in touch with us for private education. Bookings, etc. Any kind of Web3 inquiry from consultations, software development, or blockchain development, mind you, Solidity contracts, Solidity developers, we got you, venture capital, solution providing, check the team on blockchainsensei.com. slash team, add the individual members of LinkedIn, etc. We are growing into what we would like to become one of the greatest Web3 solutions companies and financial literacy companies in the world. Yeah, Zeshan, any final words from yourself?
Stay educated, learn a new skill during this bear market, and execute.
Bro, learn to mint an NFT, man.
I've not seen any NFTs that I'd personally buy, to be honest, that or like the look of.
Fair enough. We'll have a different conversation on it. All right, guys. Catch you guys soon.